So we've looked at some of the templates that we have in SharePoint 2013, list templates. We looked at how to create a site template. I showed you about that. But similar to the apps, the pre-existing list templates, we have a few site templates as well available to us in SharePoint 2013. So I'm just going to show you what they are, and we'll go through some of them in more detail in later videos. So if I go to the site contents page here and click on new subsite, I have a few options here. They've been divided into different tabs. Depending on the version of SharePoint you have available to you, you'll get different options. But I'm just going to talk first about the basic types. The collaboration types, the most basic types that you have are the team site and the project site. Now you've got blog and community site, and I'll go into those in a bit more detail because they're specialized sites and have their own functions. But the team site and the project site really are just basic sites that just have different apps already configured on them. So I'll just show you my new team site, and I'll create this. We talked about the navigation and inheritance as well. So the team site, really what I'll do is I'll show you the site contents. When you create a new team site, really all you're getting is pre-configured and pre-set up set of apps that are available. So the site assets, site pages, and documents libraries. There's no special functionality or anything like that available when setting this up. Similarly, when you create a new project site, which I'll go to here, I'll go to the site contents page, and I'll go to create a new subsite. I'll call this my project site. I'll choose the project template, and I'll inherit the navigation and press create. Now the home page is set up differently, but really it's just a site with a different set of lists or apps pre-configured for you. So you still have the getting started. It gives you a timeline right on the front page to look at your outstanding tasks. But if you go into the site contents, you can see really that you've just been set up with a few things: your calendar, site assets, microfeed, tasks, and documents. So even though the templates, one's a project template, one's a team site template, they're really not all that different, and you can just go and add whatever apps you want to configure it. This is just kind of Microsoft's recommendation on what you would expect to have on a project site or a team site. But in the next videos, we'll get into some of the other templates, the blog template and the community site template. These are specialized sites, and they'll have a video of their own.